Charleston, we're going to do the Charleston in place, and then we're going to do another kind of a Charleston. So first we'll do the one in place. So let's just show them how it really looks. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So slowly, let's do it slowly now. So first you take your right foot up and you cross it in front. Then you take your left foot up, cross that in front. Now I'm kind of moving forward when I do it slow, but really you would be doing a hop in between so you could stay in place. So it's hop, front, hop, front, hop, front, hop, front. So each time you come out and then you cross your legs together. So let's speed it up a little. We'll do 8 a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the other way to do the Charleston is moving up and then backwards. It's like the old Charleston. Some of you know that this used to be a move a long time ago. So we'll show them what it looks like regular. We'll go 4 up and 4 back. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back. 2, 3, 4. So that's the Charleston. So it's the same movements. You go up, cross, up, cross. Now you don't have to stay in place. You keep moving. When you get up here, you take that front foot and go to the back. The front foot comes back. Every time you put them down, you cross your legs in front. You twist.